now fast pass. You ready? Ooh! Oh! We hit the power line. This is the RC Jet Jog. Ooh. Oh, I just broke it. All right, guys. Well, as my wife just stated, I doinked it again. I shot a great video here of how to repair this section and then didn't hit record. So I'll just talk y'all through what we did. So we actually opened up the crack right here. You see the crack? We opened that up and then we got some Gorilla Glue, just the original kind. And we put it deep into the seam and then we squished it together, wiped it off with some paper towel, and then did that a few times just to get all that extra glue out of there. And then we pressed it together really, really good. And then you could see them right here, toothpicks. We shoved one here, and one there. And that way it'll hold it in place while it dries. Now, periodically, we're gonna come back from time to time just to wipe the glue, the excess glue off of the joint, just so it doesn't look nasty. All right, we'll do the wing next, and I won't forget to hit the record button this time. Next, we just crammed 2 toothpicks into the wingtip, did a dry fit, put some Gorilla Glue, and then bam, it's permanent. Well, it will be in the next 2 weeks because Gorilla Glue takes so long to dry. Now you can see we're actually cutting all the overflow off of the wing to make it somewhat flush. We'll come back and sand it later. I'd rather get this thing in the air. All right, guys, so as you can see, we got the Fox back into one piece and we're gonna do our redemption flight. What do you think, chicken girl? Is it actually gonna happen today? Or do you think we're gonna crash it again?
I don't know.
I don't know what she wants right now. What do you think?
A short flight.
A short flight? Yeah.
2 seconds.
No, not 2 seconds. But here's the repair job. It's a hack job, I know. But later on, we're gonna sand it down and flush it out, and I'll show y'all how to do that. But I hope that the just the rough fixing it was helpful to you guys. So without further ado, let's do it. So that's probably about 2 minutes.
2 low passes.
Whoa. Well, I'm glad I noticed that. Look at that rudder. It's a little out of place, huh?
I didn't notice anything.
You didn't notice anything?
Oh. Well, I was standing on the other side.
Well, let's fix that just real quick.
Dirt.
All right, now that that rudder is fixed, that was a good catch right there. See, guys, always do a thorough pre-flight after a crash, right? What do you think? Is that right, chicken girl? Chicken girl.
I think they need some white in Fox's eyes.
He looks too evil to you?
Don't fall down.
I'm gonna try not to fall down. Is that gonna be the living joke forever?
Yes.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Huh?
You only have 1 more minute to fly.
What?
You only have 1 more minute.
Here we go. 3, 2. Are you too close?
No.
All right. 3, 2, and 1.
Yay! He didn't fall. Last time he did this, he fell. And was flying the airplane laying on his back. Right, Daddy?
Yep. Looks like I need some up elevator. Okay, let's get this trimmed out. Now just remember, guys, usually crashes do adjust the CG a little bit.
What does that mean? Like adjusted in a good way or a bad way?
I don't think it's, I think any adjustment's not great after a crash, I would think.
I hear a woodpecker. Hear that?
Uh-huh.
Woodpecker.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, 1 more low pass. You only have a minute left. You've been up there for a minute now. I'm going to stop you when the thing says it's been 3 minutes.
Did you get that?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Coming in for a low pass. There's a bird chasing me there for a second. Was trying not to hit the power line over there.
And land.
No, I got one more.
No, the next one's landing because you've been up there for 2 minutes.
Yeah. That's fine. I'm gonna test the flaps now. Look good.
Hey.
All right.
You've been up there for 2 minutes. Now you gotta land.
I'm working on it, chicken girl. I think I'm gonna have to go around. I'm too high.
Oh, Daddy. Well, put your nose down. That's what I do. Oh. Your mom's calling you.
Don't worry about it. Just keep filming. Are we good still? Is it still filming? Or did she knock it off?
Huh?
Did my mom knock it off, or is it still filming?
No. It just said that.
What?
It's your mom and 2 others. I think I'm getting back. More. Whoa. And you're gonna glide into the fence.
Well, at least it stopped.
Well, there's a barbed wire fence.
And it was downhill. I want to do one more, please, chicken girl.
No.
Just one more.
No.
One more
No.
landing. One more.
No.
Please.
No. Okay then, that was a good redemption.
No, I want to do one more, please.
No,
Please,
no,
please,
no,
please,
no,
please,
no,
please.
no.
Name your price.
Lock the stall.
No. Come on, please. I'm literally gonna take off and land. That's it.
Lock the stall.
No. Chicken girl, please.
Do the dishes.
Okay, I'll do the dishes. Deal.
Cause I've been doing it for 3 days. Your turn. Hi, Woodpecker, you're really cool.
Alright, you still filming? Huh?
Take off, land.
Yep, that's
No
all
more.
I'm gonna do. You ready, chicken girl?
Okay.
Are you filming?
Mm-hmm.
Here we go.
I'm gonna film it from back here.
No, don't film it from back there. You can't see it.
Yes, I can. You're landing uphill this time?
Yeah.
It's blob.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
Oh. I'm gonna have to come around.
Well, the slope's going up, Daddy.
Well, I know, but it's too much still.
Oh, Daddy. You did that on purpose. Doing the dishes is like a fair trade.
It is?
Mm-hmm. And as for Luigi girl.
Alright, here we go.
Much better.
Alright. Alright, guys. That was the redemption flight. It looks like my repairs are going to hold together. So be looking forward to more videos. In the meanwhile, please get your kids involved. Get new people into the hobby. And please like, share, subscribe, and comment. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye.
And don't pay attention to Donkey Girl back there.